Let's talk about smart list subscription. Here we have selected one smart list. Hover to the list actions, click on new smart list subscription, type the name of the subscription, select the recipient from the drop down, select the frequency, daily, weekly or monthly, select the end date of the subscription, and you can select the format from here and just click create to subscribe. Now we will show you how to edit a smart list subscription. We can make changes to various subscription details directly from the subscription tab, which we can access from either database section in the subscription tab or the marketing activities in subscription tab. So here let's modify the subscription details of the recently subscribed smart list. Click on recipients column to add or edit email address. If you want to add multiple email addresses, you can split it with comma. To adjust the subscriptions frequency, click on the frequency and you can set your preferred settings here. Click on the report column, click edit here to increase or decrease the columns in our report. Here we have two different sections. One is report column, another is Marketo column. So report column are which contains all the available columns for our report, and another in Marketo column that we have chosen to display in our report. To add or remove columns, use the selector and remove from the report and then click save. If we want to edit the end date of our subscription, here we have two options: never end date. Choose never options if we want the subscription to continue indefinitely, or select date. If we prefer to a specific end date, pick a date from the calendar. After making our choice, click approve to save our changes. Lastly, choose the desired format from the drop down. Here we have three different options: CSV, tab delimited, CSV Excel file 2007. So by default the format is set to CSV.